How to check if True Tone is working on iPhone. If you want to check whether True Tone is enabled on your iPhone, follow these simple steps. Open the Settings app. Tap Display and Brightness. Look for the True Tone option. If the toggle is turned on, True Tone is enabled. If it's turned off, tap the toggle to turn it on. You can also check True Tone from Control Center. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open Control Center. Press and hold the brightness slider. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the True Tone button. Tap it to turn True Tone on or off. If you don't see the True Tone option in either Settings or Control Center, your iPhone may have a non-genuine or incompatible replacement display, as True Tone is often unavailable after certain third-party screen replacements unless it has been properly restored. That's it. You've successfully learned how to check if True Tone is enabled on your iPhone. Also, if you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe for more iPhone tips, iOS tutorials, and troubleshooting guides.